Hello everyone, this is Dirk. Thanks so much for tuning in. Today we're going to check out this little guy, the Pergear 35mm f1.2. Pretty fast aperture, huh? So I bought this on Amazon for $110 and it came with this little metal screw-on lens hood. And today we're going to find out if it's sharp enough, usable at all, and if it makes sense to buy this lens. The lens feels heavy and solid. I truly appreciate the build quality. And I like the large glass. To change the aperture is stepless. To be honest, for photography I prefer the clicking sound when you change aperture, so you cannot change it by accident. The focus ring goes very smooth and has a decent travel distance. Alright, let's take a look at the sharpness in the center and the corners. Already at f1.2 the sharpness in the center is pretty good. As soon as we stop it down to f2.8 we have a perfect sharpness and contrast in the center. The corners remain fairly soft. You can see improvements even at f16 and f22. When we take a look at vignetting, we have to stop it down till f2.8 or even f4 to get rid of all the vignetting. This lens also has a noticeable barrel distortion. This video is shot wide open at f1.2 against strong backlight to take a look at chromatic aberrations and color fringing. And now we stop it down to f2.8 to have a much better control over that. Now let's take a look at some photos with the aperture wide open. The green dot indicates where I have focused, and then we're zooming in. I was pretty impressed with the sharpness of this lens. Already at f1.2 we're getting very usable results. Okay, obviously the wall is cold. Hey, this is Dirk and today I'm at the beach with Leon. He's shooting model Jamie. I'm jumping in between to take a few snapshots with the Pergear 35mm f1.2. Because Jamie was moving a bit, I decided to shoot at f2.8. Although focusing was easier than I expected, I did not always get it 100% right. Still, overall the image quality was really good. Here I'm shooting the video at a 5.6 and I'm using the stepless aperture change to get a smooth transition into the right exposure. Now what do you think? Does it make sense to buy a $110 manual lens? Do you like it? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching this and I hope to see you soon again. Bye for now.